right, guys, this is Mr. Davison. We are at a non-disclosed location, and when I say we, I mean me and Mrs. Landers. Most of y'all know her. Mrs. Landers has never gone out and mined clay. I explained to her what my lesson was, and I've had a few of you guys comment that you didn't understand. So and no, I did mention the Provo River in my video, but guys, you don't have to go to the Provo River. The Provo River isn't the only place where you can find clay. We're up on the side of the mountain here, and we're not far away from school. I mean, literally, I am super close to school. Okay, so guys, you just have to go out and dig, get a spoon. Like, you're gonna see these tools that Miss Landers brought out. And it's really easy, guys, and I've seen a couple of these other ones that you guys have submitted, and I want you guys to dig deeper. You guys are getting a lot of soil, and I'm going to show you guys. You can tell the difference here when I show you guys this here. Okay, you can see the lighter color versus the darker color. Now, the lighter color still has soil in it, but it also has a lot of clay. Okay, and that's how you can tell the difference. There's still going to be a lot of soil and a lot of sand. And now, if you guys run into something like this where you get this lighter color, you just got to realize, and there's a lot of sand in it, you guys have got to get more than what you think you're going to need. Okay,
dude, look what I found. It makes a coil.
See, and that's exactly a good test right there. Okay, now see, you guys saw how easy that broke apart. So that's telling me that yes, there's clay in there because she's able to roll it into a coil. But it also has a lot of organic material, which is what we're going to do in our next assignment. I'm going to show you guys how, and it's going to be easy. No worries, guys. It's going to be super easy how to separate the sand, the organic material, and we're going to get nothing but clay out of it. Okay.
Let me just point out, I'm a novice. I don't know what I'm doing here. Point it this way a little bit. So this is what I first found, and it's kind of dark, and then this stuff is significantly lighter. It's more of a poop brown rather than like a dark chocolate. Sorry. But this stuff, yeah, I can make a ball out of it, but it feels way different than this. This does just kind of break apart. But this little cool thing, it looks, like, first of all, I can kind of mash it together and it seems to hold its form a little bit. And it's wiggly, and it feels like a little bit of elasticity in here that I haven't found yet, other than just now. But if you look at my hole, I've only dug down, and I have legit only used this spoon, and I've gone down, maybe 10-12 inches, but I found the lighter clay at about 6 inches down, and then I thought, well, maybe if I go down a little farther, I'll get cleaner clay. And I did, because the first time I got clay, it was not as easy to make that little turd out of. But this stuff, now that I got down a little farther, is pretty easy to get a nice little turd out of it. But it seems to have this weird elasticity that I didn't think would happen when I start playing with it.
All right, guys, so that's exactly right. She's using the right terminology. It's called plasticity, and it really does mean the elastic feeling or the plastic feeling that our clay has, okay? We're going to go over the different types of clay, and we'll talk a little bit more about plasticity. We'll also talk about the difference between and I want you guys thinking about this between now and then, and maybe even finding it out, because it might be part of your next assignment. Telling me there's 3 general types of clay in this world, guys, that we potters. I mean, there's a bunch of different types, but I want you guys to maybe think about what those 3 types are and why they are.
So that's
So
what I think is clay.
Yep, and this and I, I'm here to tell her that there is a lot of clay in this, and so we're going to fill up this cup with this stuff. We know that there's a lot of sand in it, so we're going to pack that cup full, and the next step is going to be to process it, and that'll be our next video. So guys, until next time.